Hi. All right. Well, I'm super excited about this food collage project. I think you're going to have fun, and I'm going to get to have fun seeing what you all create. So um, I'm going to get started. So these are some of the things you're going to need for this project, okay? I'm going to need a large piece of paper for the background. It doesn't really matter what color it is. I'm just going to work on black. White would be fine, or just something maybe kind of neutral. Um, then I decided I'm gonna make the cheeseburger one, so I'm just gonna kind of show you how to get started, and then I'm gonna let you guys go. And you don't have to make the cheeseburger. You could do any kind of food you want, okay? Like what I showed in the slides. Um, they could be anything, salads or tacos, whatever is your favorite meal, okay? And if you want to make a dinner plate and then fill it with all different kinds of foods, that would be cool too. These are your ideas. I'm just want to show you an example of how to get this going, okay? So, I'm gonna draw with a Sharpie, but I would like you guys to have a pencil. You'll eventually need glue. You're going to need scissors, and then you could use markers or oil pastels or crayons, whatever you have, if you want to add little detail and add things on top of your cool food looking art, okay? So I'm gonna start by drawing, and I'm drawing with Sharpie so that you all can see in the video. When I draw with pencil, it's really hard to see, okay? So I'm actually gonna fold this in half because I want to have, well, no, I won't. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna do the bun, the big bun on the top, bigger, because usually it is bigger. I was gonna make it match, but I'm gonna do the bun on the top really big. I'm gonna kind of curve it down like that. Then I'm gonna do the bottom bun less thick. So I'm still gonna curve the bottom like that. And then I'm just gonna go like that. Okay, so now I have this drawn. And I'm gonna cut that out in just a minute. And then I'm gonna start to use some scraps. So I went and grabbed some square paper from the front table, but then there's also scraps under the table if you just need like little pieces. Because I was thinking I might cut out little sesame seeds and cut out all these little shapes for the top of my bun, just to make it look a little more realistic. And then I was going to start drawing all of the ingredients that are going to go inside this big giant burger. So for instance, I might draw a tomato. So maybe I'll go like that. And let's see, I'll do like the little things like that, just to add a little bit of detail. And I want multiple tomatoes. This is a big sandwich, and so it needs more than just one. Okay, one more. I like using odd numbers instead of even in art. A lot of artists do that. They think odd numbers just provide a little bit more variety when you're looking around your art. Okay, so let me start to cut these out so I can see how much space I really need to have when I'm making all of my extra toppings. Like I'm gonna be making probably a couple hamburger patties. And I have to think about the shape that they look like from the side. So this isn't like a view that you just get to make all of your toppings the way that they actually look. Like a hamburger patty looks like a circle, but when I make it for this project, I am going to be making it more like this kind of shape with rounded edges, okay? Kind of like a really long, skinny oval, okay? So think about what things look like when you're looking from a different view. So let's see, here's my top bun. Oh, this is gonna be cool. There's my bottom bun, and I'll glue those down a little bit later. And then I'm just gonna start to cut things out. So I recommend first drawing all of your items, then cutting them out. Okay, placing them down and trying to find where you want them. Now these, I might not glue down until the next class period. I'm probably going to spend most of today just cutting out really cool things that I want. Check the timer. When it looks like time is almost up, that's probably when you're going to want to start to glue some of the stuff that you've made down, okay? Just so that we don't lose it for next week. I could add my sesame seeds in a minute. I think I'm gonna make some leafy looking lettuce. I was gonna use this light green to draw some pickles. And you don't have to add realistic things to this burger as well. I wanna put that out there too. So if you wanna be silly and you wanna add ice cream cones and chicken wings and all these cool funny things inside, you could also do that too. So it's your food collage. Be creative, have fun, but make sure you're not just cutting into paper without a plan, okay? The main goal of this video is to have a plan, draw things first, cut it out, and kind of lay things out before you glue them down, okay? All right, have fun. I'm so excited to see these. I think we're gonna have a nice variety of unique, really cool art.